Hi, welcome to the next video. Today we'll talk about the stalemate. Catch the opponent's king. This is crucial thing. Look into his grasping, but he wants to escape. Go far, far away. You must try to cut him every square, but if you don't stare at him, this is too late, and this is stalemate. Remember, king doesn't like when someone is looking at him. He will never go on the attacked square by his opponent. In this situation, queen is looking at this square and king doesn't hug other king, so king cannot go anywhere, but the square is not attacked. This square is safe and he cannot move because every square around him is attacked, but he's safe. And this is stalemate. There is no checkmate because king is not attacked. The main goal of the game of chess, which is checkmate, is not realized. This is just a draw. Draw by stalemate. King cannot move, but he is not attacked. In this situation, queen can go here. And now every square for black king is blocked, but he's on the safe square and there is no check. He cannot move, but he is not in a prison, he's not attacked, and this is stalemate again. Of course, this is not the best move, this is the worst move in the position for white. The best move is queen giving check, and now queen is not only looking at squares around the black king, she's also looking at the square where the king is. And now this is check, and check without way to escape is checkmate. This position, black can move only here, black king. Yeah, other squares are attacked by white queen. When white rook comes here, now she cuts off this square. These squares are also cut off from the king, but king is on the safe square and he cannot move. And this is stalemate, and this is draw. Remember, of course, this is the worst move in the position. The best move is give a check. Now rook is giving check, queen is cutting off squares from the king, king cannot move anywhere, he is attacked, and this is checkmate. Remember, king cannot go escape from chessboard. Now, this is a well-known situation from the endgame. Now, white king is helping white pawn with going to the last rank and to promote. Black king is trying to block the opponent's pawn, and white has to move. He doesn't want to go on this squares because now pawn will be attacked and will be captured by the black king. So white king comes here to protect his pawn. And now this squares, pawn is attacking like that. are covered by white pawn. Other squares are covered, protected by white king because king cannot capture other king. But the squares where the king is safe, and there is no check, king cannot move, and this is stalemate. This is a draw. This position is very similar to the first one. King cannot move and he's on the safe square, but this is not stalemate. Why? Because black has also a pawn, and this pawn can move, this pawn can move here, and this is no stalemate. Stalemate is when you have no other move. In that situation, when white rook comes here, now every square around king is blocked, king is on the safe square, and you can ask, black has also a pawn, but this pawn is blocked with white pawn, and black cannot move, and this is stalemate again. If there wasn't this pawn, then king is surrounded by opponent's pieces, he's on the safe square, but he can move with a pawn. When you are attacking, try to avoid stalemate and give a checkmate, because checkmate is win, stalemate is a draw. When you are defending, try to make a stalemate and draw a game instead of losing. Have a fun and see you next video. Bye.